Ready to supercharge your WordPress site with beautiful pages, all without touching a line of code. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the simple process of installing the Elementor Page Builder plugin right from your WordPress dashboard. By the end of this video, you'll have Elementor up and running, ready to help you design stunning web pages with ease, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's jump right in. First things first. We need to log into your WordPress admin area. This is usually found by typing your website's address into your browser, followed by /wp-admin. So for example, if your site is called mysite.com, you'll go to enter your username and password. Don't worry if you have to hunt down your credentials, everyone forgets them sometimes. Once you're logged in, look to the left-hand side of your dashboard. You'll see a black column. This is your main navigation menu. Find the section labeled Plugins. Go ahead and click on that and then select Add New. This is where you can browse and install thousands of plugins to expand what your site can do. At the top right of the Add Plugins page, there's a search bar. Here, type in Elementor Website Builder. It's important to type the full name so you get the official plugin and not a copycat. Give it a moment while the plugins load. Sometimes these pages take a second or two depending on your connection. Now, in the list of results, look for the one by Elementor.com. You'll know you found the right one when you spot that signature pink E logo. This is important. Always check that it's by Elementor.com since that's the official version, maintained and updated regularly for security and new features. You should see a button labeled Install Now. Click it and WordPress will get to work installing the plugin files onto your site. This might take a moment, so don't be alarmed if you see a spinning wheel or a short pause. It's just your site adding new functionality. Once Elementor has finished installing, you'll notice the Install Now button changes to say Activate. This is your cue to click it and essentially switch on all the new features Elementor brings. Until you activate a plugin, it's like buying a fancy new appliance but leaving it in the box. Immediately after activating Elementor, you'll be guided through a quick setup process. Take your time here, it's straightforward and gives you a chance to fine-tune Elementor to your needs. You'll also have the option to create a free Elementor account. While this is optional, signing up gives you access to professionally designed templates and some additional cool features, so it's often worth it if you like having more design choices at your fingertips. And that's it, you've successfully installed and activated Elementor Page Builder on your WordPress site. From here, you're all set to start designing custom pages just by dragging and dropping. If you ever get stuck, remember, Elementor has a big community and tons of helpful resources. Thanks so much for following along. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like, and if you have any questions or hit any snags along the way, drop them in the comments. I'm always glad to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow WordPress tutorials. Happy designing!